Hey guys! Are you ready for some awesome indoor activities for your 3-year-olds? I can't wait to show you what I've got planned. First up, let's talk about sensory play. You know how kids love to touch and explore everything? Well, we're gonna make a super cool sensory bin. All you need is a big container, some rice or beans, and small toys. Pour it all in and let your little one dig in. Next, we're gonna get messy with some painting. Whoa, look at all these colors. We'll use our hands and feet to make awesome art. Don't worry about the mess, guys. That's what makes it fun. Oh, and check this out. We can make our own Play-Doh. It's easy and safe for kids. Just mix flour, salt, water, and food coloring. Your 3-year-old is gonna love squishing and molding it into different shapes. That's so cool. Now, let's learn while we play. We can use blocks to build awesome towers and learn about shapes. And how about some puppet shows? You can use socks or paper bags to make funny characters. Your little one will love making up stories. We can also practice letters and numbers with fun games. Sing songs, dance around, and don't forget to read some cool books together. Wow, learning can be so much fun. Hey guys, wasn't that amazing? We did so many cool activities today. Remember, rainy days can be super fun with your little ones. Don't forget to share your favorite indoor activities in the comments below. And if you loved these ideas, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. Let's make every day an adventure, rain or shine.